guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to bring you this recipe of guacamole that I'm obsessed with, and I want to show you guys how I make it. So if you want to know how this recipe goes, please just keep watching. The first thing that I'm going to show you are the ingredients. Now over here I have 2 large avocado that you can use the small ones, but I like this one. 1 lemon, 2 green onions. That these ones are big. If you have a small one, you will use 1 more. You need some cilantro, salt, pepper, a cutting board, a knife of course, so we can cut everything, and a bowl to put it in. Now with all these ingredients, let's put them all together. The first thing that we're gonna do is cut the avocado in half and remove the seed and all that skin that is bad, and remove any brown area that you don't like. Now to remove the seed is very easy. You're gonna put your knife in and make a twist. Now we're gonna get all the avocado out of the shell with a spoon. Now you're gonna get your lemon and give it a little massage so all the juice can come out, and you're gonna put it in this so we can squish it inside our bowl. We put the lemon now so the avocado don't go brown really fast. Now after that, you're gonna smash all your avocado, but you still gonna leave it a little bit chunky. You don't want it like too liquid or too like pasta type. Now we're gonna cut our green onions, and you're gonna cut them like really fine and that you cannot see them or taste them when you eat the guacamole. We're gonna do the same thing with the cilantro, so we do not feel it when we eat the guacamole. You're gonna add salt and pepper and mix it all together, and you're gonna try it in between of the mix to see if you're mixing anything in your guacamole, if it needs more salt, a lemon, or anything like that. Once your guacamole tastes how you like, you're gonna put the seed back into the bowl so it doesn't go brown, and your guacamole is all complete. This is the final result. I love guacamole, and I put it together with the chips that if you haven't seen my video of how to make this delicious baked chips, I'm gonna put the link down below, or you can check the I button in the corner and it will take you there to the video. Now I'm gonna try it for you guys. This is the bowl that is gonna go in the fridge. Now I heard from someone that if you put the seed with the guacamole, it would not go brown. You know how it gets all brown and old? So since then I have been putting it in the fridge with the seed. Now I put it here so we can eat it with my chips, and they're so baked and crispy and so delicious. So I'm gonna try it for you guys. I did it with the green onions. You can do it with regular onions if you want, but I feel that it's too, the flavor is overpowering and it's too strong for me. But if you like it like that, you can put the regular onions. I do it with the green onions because of that reason. And also I do not like it spicy, that's why I don't put jalapeno or any spicy. I only put the peppers to give it a little bit of flavor, but not spicy. And nothing. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss any of my videos and you get a notification. And nothing, I'm gonna leave you because this is delicious and you need to go to your kitchen to make it. So nothing, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.